We are going to start with practice number 2. And in this practice, we are specifically talking about the configurations and knowing the teach pennant and how to configure it. So we have the specifications, the exact specifications that we want to be having for each activity, depending on what we are going to realize or what we want to do, and the role that we have, and a bunch of things. So we are going to start clicking the menu, so we can see here that we can manage this interface by clicking with the arrows. But right now we are going to make it faster, so we are going to click in 0 because we need to go to the part of system. In system, in the screen we cannot see the system part, but it's because it's in another section of the menu. So we click 0 to see the other section. And now we can see that the number 6, that is system, we click number 6. So we can move the arrows to see all the things that we can manage or we can change and configure. And just by clicking enter, we can insert the value, or we can change, for example, the values that are false or true. We can, with the F4 and F5, change it, and the other ones we can enter the values ourselves with our teach pennant. So first of all, we're going to start deactivating the UE signals of the PLC interface. So for that, we're going to we already click menu. We do all these steps, but now we're going to search enable US signals. So we can see that these are here. So we are going to click false, and that's how we change that aspect. And then, for example, we are going to deactivate the PLC interface by clicking we are going to do the same aspects, but we are now going to search remote and local setup. So we are going to click going down until we can see the remote call. Look, here is the remote local setup. So we are going to click F4 choice, and then we're going to press local and then enter, and now we change it to the local. So the last one, we're going to deactivate the handbroken. So for that, we got um that all the other steps already made, but we can see now that in here we have the handbroken. So we're going to click enter, and then we're going to click disable with F5. So now, and then we go to preview, and we already changed it. So that's basically how you can manage and how you can navigate through the interface, change the specific aspects that you want to change, and that's how basically you can configure your teach pennant and the control that you want to do. We here can see that we have a bunch of points. So yeah, you each of these has a specific assignment in the movement and in the control of the robot and of the system. So yeah, that's basically how you can access to change this configuration. And that will be it for this practice.